Mantashe will release the 2024 Mine Health and Safety Statistics in Pretoria this afternoon. This follows the 2024 Mine Occupational Health and Safety Tripartite Summit as the country looks to achieve zero fatalities in the mining sector. Well, for more on this story, we cross to my colleague, SABC News economics reporter Katlego Legodi. Thanks very much for joining us, Katlego. You are there, you are waiting to hear from the minister. What do you anticipate?
It will be at the top of two when we see Minister Gwede Mantashe taken to the podium behind us to give us a sense of how 2024 has fared for the mining sector. Here we're talking about occupational health and safety, and you know very well that there have been concerns around the fatalities within the mining sector. It was in October 2024, Nompu, when we saw this occupational mining health and safety tripartite summit, and this is where then we saw business being there, mining companies, government represented by the ministry, and organized labor representing the workers. And the aim here being to push for zero fatality within the mining sector. If I take you back to the year 2023, we saw about 55 lives lost within the mining sector. And we, in October 2024, had that now in that period, we saw 34 miners already having lost their lives. So that kind of gives you a sense of the numbers that the minister is going to be giving us here. We'll start from the 34 that we were told at the summit that lives have been lost in 2024, and then he'll give us a breakdown of some of the interventions that they have underway. And one thing that we know as well is that the Chief Inspector of Mines will be here as well, just giving us a sense of their inspection drive as they try by all means to push for accountability within the mining sector. It's very important, Nompu, that we get this sector right. It's a multi-billion rand sector, very important to the country's economy, also in the creation of well-needed jobs. So they're pushing here to ensure that there's zero fatalities. And the solution, if I can let you in on this, Nompu, lies within the amendment of the Occupational Health and Safety Act, which they are saying that in the amending of this act, we'll see then a greater accountability towards mining companies in ensuring that they prioritize occupational health and safety. So the minister is here, the chief inspector is here, and at the top of two, we'll be expecting to just get a sense of how they're addressing some of these issues. There's also that issue, Nompu, of illegal mining that will always creep up within this sector that we had the minister emphasize that is illegality. If I take you back also to issues of silicosis, TB. So these are some of the issues that we get within the mining sector. And today we'll be waiting to hear from Minister Mantashe to give us a sense of the interventions and whether we are getting it right in getting closer to that zero fatality within the mining sector.